2. You're going to find the inferior angle of the scapula, draw a straight line across. You're going to move 1 inch down. You're going to take the slack out, let it soften. On their exhale, you're just going to lift your wrist and make that move across. You're going to come straight across, challenge, let it soften. On their exhale, you're going to drop your wrist and make the move. You're going to move up 1 inch above the imaginary line. You're going to take the slack out, let it soften. On their exhale, make that move across. Come across with your index fingers. Take the slack out, let it soften. On their exhale, make the move. Next, you're going to find their teres minor and their lats. You're going to come in on their fingertips underneath their shoulder blades. Take the slack up and under. Move up. Now there's an alternative to this. You can just have your hands like so, take the slack down, move up, and complete on the other side. Wait 2 minutes. Then you're going to come up at the top of the superior angle of the scapula. Just drop your thumb right in there. Find the levator scapula. You're going to take your index finger, follow that around in a big semicircle. Get as much fascia as you can. You can do that a couple times. Loosen that fascia up. Lighten up the thumb. Take the slack down. Bring the thumb back down. Angle it at a 45-degree angle. Remove this hand. And move across the levator scapula. And repeat on the other side.